So we made it to the car park for the walk. We've got, I believe it's just around 9k of walking. And there's 4 waterfalls. I'll put them up maybe, and I'll put a location of this car park because this one has a lot of space. The other ones we went past were full. But yeah, here we are in the middle of nowhere.
So we're walking.
We shall be walking to the first waterfall, which is approximately 17 minutes away. But add on extra 5 minutes because we do. We got extra 5 minutes.
Brother, we're at the start of the walk. So this is literally the starting point. Car park's across the road. I'm gonna start my watch so we can see how long the distance is. Alright, cool. So I'm starting the watch. We'll see how much. There's a lot of sheep here, man. It smells like sheep. Shit. Oi, mate. What's your language?
It just smells like pee the whole time.
Yeah, it smells like you, mate.
I believe there's a waterfall below us. You can hear. Oh, there is. Yeah, look. Oh, that's
wow.
sick. That's the path to go down. That looks super sketch. Oh, now your jacket's already dyed. Yeah, just look at your foot. Yeah, calm. Bro, this is mad, wallah.
Make me sweat.
We still have the last bit. Well, how'd they go down there? Yeah, this way is easy. Go that way.
Yeah. You just come down. And he's done it, ladies and gentlemen.
Crazy, innit? Man, this is so crazy. And now we're back climbing. So now we're on like the second layer. We were just down there, we climbed up to here.
So who we got him? Oh shit, you can't see him.
I got. Whoa, techie guy. Yo, this guy's already stumbled. Stop. But yeah, we're already done. Took our photos, whatnot, and then we're back walking again. It's only been 1k in around 40 minutes.
Speed it up, warrior. We're doing 30 minutes per K.
Hey, get walking, buddy.
Come on, I'm bleeping of Yatta already.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
What the hell is that? Take a picture. How's it feel, Hamid? How you feeling right now?
Feeling nice, composed, relaxed, you know. 3 C's, cool, calm, collected.
Oh, nah, Mr. Aura right here. What about you, Hashim? How you feeling?
My back is hurt.
What else?
I still have 10 K to do today.
Oh, you gotta run after this?
Yeah.
Oh man, that's unfortunate. You know, you could just not run.
Now I'm addicted to the mileage.
Okay, buddy.
It's like eating food. I got so.
Okay, buddy. We are now at waterfall number 2. We've got some steps to go down. Finally made it to the bottom. I think we literally came down like 200 steps. You can walk behind the waterfall. There's a bunch of people already there. So yeah, you can see them all. Oh, we're going back up the 1,000 steps of doom. Yo, I'm actually dead. Come, Ham, let's go. Let's get walking, buddy. So we're at waterfall number 3. Look at that.
That's the one, number 1 for coffee. You, no, this one.
Now number 2 is calm. Oh crap, there's another.
There's bears.
What'd you see?
Your own family.
Danger, people have died swimming here. I mean, we're not trying to swim. So now we're at the bottom of the... We're on our way to the last one. Our 4th one, that's 3 done.
How far the last one?
I don't know. Honestly, no idea. How long? Oh, we've been out for 2.5 hours. It's more than that. 2.5 hours of actual walking. But yeah, 1 more to go, and then wraps. We can go. Go yard. Yeah. Broski. Go yard. Go yard.
What are you telling me? Are you alright, mate?
So this is it. This is the final one, the 4th waterfall. That's it. That's our final waterfall. So that's it. We've seen all 4 now. Good job, son. We are about 15 minutes, 20 minutes from the car park. Oh, go on, buddy. No, you show us how it's done then. Go on. You take over the video. That's your video now. No, it's it. Go talk.
Actually, I run this account, okay? Abdi, yeah?
No, hold
my
the
little
camera,
brother. Look at my little brother. Take my little brother to Wales. Paid for everything. Drove here. And he's just being very ungrateful, fam. Just because I've got bad P like AB, bro. No, my thing.
So I miss AB every 2 seconds. And that's it. We're back to the start. And now we just have to walk to the car park. It's like, I don't know, 10-minute walk. But that's it done. So that's it, that's the walk finished. We are back to the car park. Any final words, Hammer?
Yeah, it was splendid. But my legs, but
Yeah, that was a good fun
it
walk.
was getting lit.